Welcome guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to switch from a professional mode to a personal mode. Now what does this mean? Because already you switch from professional to personal to professional because you want to be a content creator, and then you decide to switch back to personal mode because you think content creation is not for you. This is how to do that. So go to your Facebook application, have it open. I already done this on PC. If you are using PC, you can go ahead and watch it. So you click on your profile image, and then you can see that you have professional mode active. That's the reason why you have professional dashboard and then following and followers, rather followers and following. Now to revert this to friends and then maybe I don't know what is actually here. Nothing is here. So let's go ahead and revert this back. Click on the three dotted icon, and then you are going to notice where it says turn off professional mode. You click on that, and then it's still telling you if you want to turn off professional mode. You can decide, no, I do not want to turn this on. You can just close it and then go back. But if you want to turn this off, go ahead and continue. So when you continue, that means you want to turn this off, and then it's telling you that when you turn it off, any of the existing insights will no longer be available. Then it's okay. Click on turn off. And then when you do that, it's going to take a while process and take you to the next page. On the next page, it says professional mode turned off successfully. So this means our professional mode has been turned off. Do not mind me, I'm taking screenshots for the thumbnail. So this, guys, is all for this video. Close this off, and then you are going to see that you are now on personal mode. It's not going to load immediately, so you need to actually refresh your page, or you close the application and open it back. If this doesn't revert, you close it and open it back, it will revert. And now you can see that it's showing my friend, no longer followers and following. So this, guys, is how to turn from professional mode to personal mode. So if this video helped you, share it with your friends, like, comment to ask more questions. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.